Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Keyboard DIY Kit is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging projects for tech enthusiasts and keyboard lovers, allowing you to build a completely customized keyboard from scratch, selecting your preferred switches, keycaps, and case to create a unique and personalized typing experience. This video will guide you through the process, highlighting key considerations and steps to ensure a successful build, transforming your passion into a tangible masterpiece. Number 5. GAMAKay LK67 Keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard kit, letting you build a keyboard exactly how you want it. Customize the look, feel, and sound to your preferences. The convenient knob gives you quick control over volume and playback. It's all easily accessible at your fingertips. Connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4 GHz, or use the included USB-C cable for a wired connection. It seamlessly switches between devices. Easily install your favorite switches without soldering. It supports both 3-pin and 5-pin MX-style switches. Program custom macros and shortcuts to optimize your workflow. It's highly customizable to your needs. It features vibrant RGB backlighting with a unique mesh structure and side lighting for an immersive experience. It's more than just a keyboard, it's a statement piece. The 67-key layout is compact, freeing up valuable desk space. It's perfect for any workspace. What we like. It boasts a stunning RGB backlight and offers seamless connectivity with its triple-mode design. If you need a versatile keyboard for various devices and love vibrant lighting effects, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to customize their keyboard experience without sacrificing convenience and compatibility. What people say. Taking the board apart for modding was actually a fairly straightforward experience. The board comes with many RGB features. Connectivity is great on this keyboard. I have no issues whatsoever using the 2.4 GHz connection on my MacBook Pro M1, BT on my iPad Pro and wired for my custom gaming PC. No dropouts or anything like that. Number 4. Glorious GMMK Pro 75% White. It's made from CNC machined aluminum, giving it a solid feel and lasting durability. The anodized surface is scratch resistant and smooth to the touch. Personalize your typing experience by easily swapping in your favorite mechanical switches. No soldering is needed, thanks to the included switch puller. It's designed to be redesigned. Swap out the top frame, rotary knob, and cable with colorful alternatives for a unique look. Further customize your typing feel and sound by swapping the aluminum plate for brass or polycarbonate options. You can also adjust the internal foam for fine-tuning the acoustics. It comes with everything you need to get started, the barebone frame, a USB-C cable, and tools for easy switch and keycap removal. What we like. This keyboard is built with premium materials for unmatched durability and a luxurious feel. Its 5-pin hot swap design allows for easy switch customization. If you prioritize quality, build, and extensive personalization options, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who want a high-end keyboard that can be tailored to their exact preferences. What people say. The build is very sturdy, heavy, and sleek overall and has a premium feel to it. The hot swap sockets makes it nice to test out different switches without having to learn or clean up from soldering, and they are 5-pin sockets so you don't have to manipulate most switches to fit them in. The sound of the board when typing feels full, there's no metallic twang or reverberation because of the dampening material. Number 3. Higround Basecamp Keyboard. It's a 65% keyboard, so you get all the essential keys without the bulk. Perfect for gaming and everyday use. It blends a classic design with a modern transparent case. The result is a keyboard that's both stylish and functional. With dual silicone dampening, it provides a premium typing experience and a deep, satisfying thok sound. The switches are co-designed for smooth and tactile feedback. You'll enjoy every keystroke. It's hot swappable, with customizable RGB lighting and macros. You can personalize it to match your setup and preferences. Let's take a closer look at this amazing keyboard and all its features. Prepare to be amazed. What we like. It features a space-saving 65% layout without sacrificing essential keys, and produces a satisfying, creamy thok sound. If you value a compact design and enjoy a premium typing experience, this keyboard is for you. It's perfect for those who want a balance between functionality and a unique aesthetic. What people say. The keys are so smooth. I love that it's a matte finish, and the sounds are so nice. This keyboard feels great typing, feels like typing on jelly because how effortlessly the keystrokes are when pushing down on the keys. Talking about the keys switches when they say this thing is silent. That is not a joke. The aesthetics of this keyboard is downright gorgeous. The way the RGB comes through the opal, keys and the clear case are very bright and vibrant. It's giving a 10/10. Number 2. GAMAKAY Wireless Keyboard Kit. This kit lets you build your own custom mechanical keyboard. It's a fun and easy way to personalize your typing experience. Its compact 65% layout saves desk space without sacrificing essential keys. Enjoy a modern and efficient typing setup. Connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4G for a lag-free experience. It uses 2 AAA batteries and lasts up to 2 months with the Smart Sleep mode. Easily swap out switches to customize the feel and sound of your keyboard. It features a unique hot-swappable design for longer life. It boasts an ABS shell, metal plate, and sound-dampening materials for a premium feel and sound. Enjoy a satisfying typing experience. Remember to check the switch pins before installation and insert them vertically into the hot swap sockets. Refer to the video for detailed instructions. It's wireless only. It does not support USB wired connection, nor does it have a USB interface or charging function. What we like. This keyboard offers both Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G wireless connectivity, along with a hot-swappable design for easy switch customization. If you prefer a wireless keyboard with the freedom to personalize your typing experience, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a DIY experience and value wireless freedom. What people say. Work as advertised, also has some weight to it so it feels nice. The keyboard for modding is really good, super easy to mod. Gaming is easier now and the keys are smooth. Number 1. Redragon BBK 552 Keyboard Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate in customization and performance with this amazing keyboard kit. It's designed for gamers, enthusiasts, and professionals who demand the best. With 16.8 million RGB colors and 18 lighting modes, it will illuminate your setup. Adjust the speed and brightness to match your style. This keyboard is fully modular and hot-swappable, allowing you to easily customize it with your favorite switches and keycaps. The steel plate and sound-dampening foam provide a superior typing experience. Assembling it is a breeze. It's compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, and the standard ANSI layout works with various keycaps. Enjoy comfortable typing with its ergonomic design and adjustable height. It's compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. The kit includes the keyboard, a detachable USB cable, keycap and switch puller tools, and a user manual. It also comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. What we like. This keyboard features vibrant RGB lighting and a fully modular design for extensive customization. If you're a keyboard enthusiast who loves RGB and wants a highly customizable experience, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to build their dream keyboard from the ground up. What people say. The keyboard itself is heavy and sturdy before adding switches and keycaps. And the RGB is plenty bright enough to shine through. For the price being on the lower spectrum for barebones keyboards, I highly recommend. It has metal top plate, 5-pin PCB, and plastic bottom case. Upon open the keyboard to look inside the case, to my surprise, there is a silicone dampening layer inside the bottom case. And a layer of foam between the top plate and the PCB. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.